Good afternoon, student. Today we have to start the new topic, that is dental caries. Okay, as it is given in your reference page number 23. So before going in detail about the dental caries, first we must know about the what detailed structure of tooth. Okay, so first we will see that what is tooth. So here we are having the definition. A tooth is a hard calcified structure found in the jaws or mouth of many vertebrate and used to break down food. Some animals, particularly carnivores, also use teeth for hunting or for defensive purpose. The roots of the teeth are covered by gums. Okay, we have already done the discussion about the teeth. That is very important for the mastication of food, because physical digestion occurs in the mouth with the help of teeth. All right, and as it is given here, it is a calcified structure. It is made up of calcium. All right, and many of the animals, the carnivorous animals especially, okay, are using the teeth for hunting as well as for defensive purposes. Okay, so this is all about the what tooth. Right, now we have to see that what is the structure of a tooth. Okay, so just see the next slide here. The structure of tooth, as you are having the diagram here. Okay, we can divide the tooth into two parts, that is crown and root. Okay, the exposed part in our mouth, right, is known as what crown, and the roots which are present under the what gums, the jaws. Okay, that will be the what root part of the tooth. Right, so the very first labeling is here enamel. Enamel is the most hardest part in our body. Okay, it is more harder than our bones. All right, which is doing the process of mastication. Below the enamel there is what dentin. Okay, it is as hard as bone. Right, below the dentin there is a cavity which is known as pulp cavity. As you can see, the red color is showing there below the yellow color. It is the pulp is written there. That actually is a pulp cavity, and this pulp cavity is containing the nerves and the blood vessels. Right, nerves and blood vessels to keep the teeth alive. Okay, so what I have written, just see, a tooth consists of enamel, dentin, cementum. Now what is cementum here? As you can see that there's a border of yellow, light yellow color. Okay, after the word dentin, as you can see on both the side. Okay, this cementum is actually cementing the teeth in the jaws. The portion of the tooth exposed to the oral cavity is known as the dental crown, and the portion below the dental crown is known as the tooth root. Okay, so this is about the word structure. Right, structure of what tooth. Next we will see the dental caries definition, that what exactly the dental caries is. You see the formation of small cavities, hole in the teeth due to the action of acid forming bacteria, and improper dental care is called the dental caries. If we are eating a lots of chocolates, if we are eating a lots of junk foods or our daily food, and if we are not brushing our teeth regularly, if we are not giving the proper dental care, okay, so what will be there? The bacteria which is present in the the food particles, okay, or in our mouth, will react with that food particle, and they will form the acid, and that acid will make the holes, the cavity in our tooth. Okay, and that formation of cavity in the tooth is known as dental caries. Now just see the next slide here. Okay, it is showing the process here, the dental decay process. As you can see, it is given bacteria and germs. The bacteria and germs which is present in our mouth will react with food, drink, sugar, sweet, and they will form the what? Acid. And this acid will react with the calcium part of the what? Enamel. Okay, and because of that reaction, they will first eat up the what? They will first destroy the calcium of the enamel. They will first destroy the enamel, and then it will go to the what? Dentin, and then it will reach to the what? Pulp cavity. Okay, so here it is very clearly given. Just see, first it was the healthy tooth, and then it become the what? Cavity. Okay, the cavity in the tooth. Now just see in detail here. Okay, in the next slide, the stages of tooth decay. As you can see in the first, decay in enamel. First of all, there will be decay, there will be hole in the enamel part, and this hole will go below. Okay, and it will it will affect the what? dentine, all right, advanced decay. Third, decay in dentine, all right, and then fourth, okay, decay in what? Pulp cavity. Okay, decay in pulp cavity. All right, so in this way we can see that the slowly the decay will move to the, you know, that innermost part of our tooth. All right, and it will form the what? Dental decay. Now just next see what is dental plaque. Dental plaque is the very first step toward the, you know, dental caries. Okay, many of the peoples are having the yellowish teeth because we people are not taking the, you know, proper care of our teeth. All right, so that yellow sticky, you know, structure which is, you know, present upon our teeth is known as the dental plaque. See what is written. If the teeth are not cleaned regularly, they become covered with a sticky yellowish layer of food particle and bacteria cells called the dental plaque. Actually, this dental plaque is not allowing our, you know, saliva, the alkaline saliva, to reach the what? To surface to neutralize the acid formed by the bacteria, and hence tooth decay sets in. Getting? If there will be layer upon your teeth, so then the saliva will not able to touch the teeth surface. Okay, actually saliva is cleaning that, you know, our saliva used to clean the action of bacteria. But if the saliva will not able to reach the surface of the teeth, so what? The bacteria will be there, and that bacteria will what? React with the sugar. It will form the acid, and that acid will what? Cause the cavity. Okay, so in this way they are forming the what? Dental plaque. Now just see the next one here. What we have to do for the healthy smile. Yes, now what we should do for our healthy smile. Okay, to have a good healthy smile, we should have our teeth. Yes, because without it we will not look good. Okay, it is not in that sense. Actually our teeth should be neat and clean. All right, so how we can keep our teeth neat and clean? For that we'll see the next slide here. Brushing your teeth regularly after eating food remove the plaque before bacteria produces the acid. If we are regularly brushing our teeth, okay, before eating the food, that is in the morning as well as in the night, okay, so it will not allow the food particle to be stay in the mouth or stay in between the teeth, right, and it will not allowing the bacteria to form the acid. And if there will be no formation of acid, okay, there will be no cavity. So first we have to remove the plaque, okay, and if there will be no plaque, there will be no formation of acid, there is no cavity. Okay,